Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can lock the aspect ratio for images, photos and shapes in the Affinity Designer in 2026. So guys, let us get started. So navigate to design on Affinity and insert a shape, for example, or a photo. I will go with a photo, right? And a logo like this. So locking the aspect ratio works the same way as drawing ellipses, for example, that are being stabilized, right? So what you want to do is left click into the given element, in this case here the given image, and then let's say you would like to resize it by using these corners here. So in some cases it may suffice if you resize it by moving that handle. In some cases, the dimensions and the aspect ratio might be distorted. So in this case, what you'll need to do, guys, is like drawing a circle, a perfect circle, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and then use these handles, right? That is going to lock the aspect ratio and keep these, the aspect ratio, as you can see, the dimensions, right? So that's how it works. So if you do this with a rectangle, let me draw a rectangle, for example. So if I resize this one here, right, as you can see, if I now move that handle in the bottom right corner and try to resize that rectangle, it would distort the aspect ratio. But if I do the same while pressing and holding left shift, it would keep the aspect ratio, right, like this. So that's how you lock the aspect ratio on Affinity. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.